Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, it's been 2,000 years since I did a makeup tutorial. It was last September when I did a makeup tutorial. I know I have been completely gone, and I did explain to you in my last car chat where I was and what's been going on with me. And so I've just been feeling a little bit motivated lately. I actually have some time off of work. I took some time off this coming summer. I'm going to take a little more time because it's the slower season usually in my job, and so it's okay like for me to take a little time off right now, so we have enough staff and everything. So I just said, well, let me just take some time off and just kind of enjoy my life a little bit. I love the summer. Like, I'm summer on the inside. I just live for the summer, and so that's my time that I like to take off. And so I said, I'm gonna get out my setup. I don't keep my setup actually out anymore like I used to. I don't have my room that I used to do my makeup tutorials in. This is actually in my bedroom. Like, here's my bed over here, and I've got this set up behind me. This is where I get ready. And so I just got everything out. I don't have all my lights anymore. I took them down and they're very hard to get back out. And so I said, well, let me just shoot this with one ring light and just the lights in my room. And so I said, you might be able to see a little more imperfections in my skin and everything, but I was like, I'll just go for it. And so I didn't know what I wanted to use, but I knew I wanted to do an eyeshadow tutorial. So I looked through all my stuff and I found this. I actually have been saving these palettes for a long time, like a year probably, because I've got all these shades in other palettes. And so I was like, I'll just save this and maybe give it away at some point. But now it's sat around for like a year and I don't really want to give away year-old makeup. So I broke it back out. I actually found this palette. It's in a 3-pack, but I found it at Ulta as a single. It's $28 and it's got 10 shades in here. These are just some nice warm caramel tones. They're so beautiful. These colors work on everybody's eyes. I mean, green, brown, blue, it doesn't matter. This is going to look good, I feel like, in my opinion, on everybody. And so I stuck with these two matte shades right here. Then I used this as a brow bone highlight. And then I used this in the outer corner of my eye, which I usually wouldn't use a shimmer out there, but I was really into it today, so I tried it. And then I used this on the lid. So these 5 shades are the ones that I used from the palette. I think this is a really pretty look for not doing like any kind of quality eyeshadow in a very long time. Like, I was scared that I didn't really know how to do eyeshadow anymore because I haven't done it in so long. Like, I've just been slapping it together. And I sit there to do it and I don't get good lighting, so it doesn't ever look right anymore on me. But now I got this ring light out, it's been like, So I thought it like come out really good. So if you want to see this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, I started to look off with that warm brown shade. It's the second one from the left. That shade is so pretty to me. Like, it's just got that warm richness that I'm looking for. And I'm using that on the MAC 217 brush. I use the MAC 217 a lot. It's just versatile. I can pack the color down with it. See how I'm going in and packing with it now? It's like I can blend it. I can pack it. That brush can do all things. Like, it's my go-to brush. So I'm just packing it down now that I've got it into the crease. I'm packing it onto the lid, and I just want that color to completely take over the whole look. It's kind of like I'm using it to almost smoke the whole eye out with it. I think it's such a pretty shade. Like, oh, I'm loving it. And so I just keep on blending it out. You know, it takes a while to blend it. And then my eyes shape funny, so I have to actually peel back my eye and then place the color down in there. Otherwise, it'll leave like a gap there. So in my eye, the skin on it just moves around a lot. It's like real life problems. And I have to maneuver my eye to make it work. See how there's always like a little bit of white left in there that I have to go back over? That's just the shape of my eye. Now I'm going in with that shade on the bottom left hand side. It's just a little bit lighter shade, and I just use that to like smooth out the edges. I mean, it doesn't really add too much color. It just smooths everything out and kind of brings your other color up just a little bit. And I need it to go up a little bit on me because my crease is so deep. So I have to kind of lift it over the crease. And then I'm going in with that dark purple shade in the lower right corner. And I'm just taking that on. This is an old Real Techniques brush that I have. It's kind of flat, but also fluffy at the same time. And so I'm using that to just pack it down. And I'll do like a mixture. I'll pack it for a minute and then I'll like drag it a little bit. And so that'll kind of give me the like darkness I need, but it'll also kind of smooth it out to where it looks blended, if that makes any sense. So I start off with the packing motion and then I start bringing it in a little bit more. And you have to build this up a little bit because, you know, it's a dark shade. And so I have to like, and I don't want it to be overly dramatic. So I just keep tapping it until it's done. And now I'm going in with that top right hand shade. It's that gold shimmery shade. And I'm just using that to pack it down onto my lid. And it matches perfectly with that other brown shade that we put on there. So it just kind of all blends into one color, which is what I was kind of going for there. Now you get to see my crazy eyeliner that I do. My eye is so hard to work with, like, because the skin moves so much. Like I was saying before, if your skin is mobile like that, I mean, it just will not be still. So I have to keep going in from the front, going in from the back. It's a mess. And so I went ahead and took the tape off, and now that I've got my line there, I'll just go ahead and like bring it out a little bit more. You see right there in my corner, I have to maneuver around where my skin folds. So you have to figure out how to do it for your eye because it's not the same for everybody. And then I took that white bone shade that was in the top left hand corner of the palette and just used that to highlight my brow bone in my inner corner. I don't really do too much there. I just slap it on there and like rub it in. Okay, now I'm going in with that brown shade. It was the first shade in the second row, and I'm just running that lightly underneath my eye. This is more of a stiff brush, but also kind of fluffy at the same time. So it's like, it's not real flat. It's a little bit thicker than a flat brush. And I just run that lightly under the eye. I really don't want that to take over. Like, I don't want my under eye to take over right now. I just want a little bit of color. And then I went in with any kind of like flesh colored eye pencil that you have. I mean, I use this NYX Wonder pencil. I've had it for years, so it's probably not even out there. I don't even know. But I use any color, like white, flesh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm going in with a Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Mine is a little bit on the drier side, so I really had to work with this. I think it's old or something. But I just go ahead and coat my lashes. You can use false eyelashes here if you're going out, but I'm not going anywhere, so I didn't put any on. But this look really would like elevate with false lashes. But that's it. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try my best and start doing some makeup tutorials again. So if you want to see them, just leave me a like on this video. And any kind of looks that you want me to do and want me to try, I'll try it. I'm not really adventurous with my makeup, but I will try. Anytime someone requests something, I will give it a go. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.